So I just removed this clear bra from my Toyota FJ Cruiser. It's been on here since I presume new 2012. And what I did was literally I went to Walmart. I bought a $10 Conair hair dryer, and quite frankly I don't care if that's all this is used for because my hair don't need it. But now this actually spray bottle broke, the spray function broke, but I'm just wetting a cloth, rubbing the liquid on here, and then what I did is I have a block here that's got a smooth enough, soft enough edge on it that I can run it across, and you can kind of see the adhesive as it kind of turns to more goo. It just cuts it from the edge of that. Now this block is smooth enough where I can rub it against the surface, not that you can see very well, without scratching the paint. This is the adhesive remover. I got it at Walmart for about $6, I think it is, and it seems to be working really well. Of course, I used the hair dryer to heat it while I was pulling the film off, and just a slow process, just heat and pull at the same time. Heat the section right before, ahead of your pull, is the easiest way I've found to do it. You could see now this whole thing is tacky, but you could see, yeah, there you go, you can see that reflection. So this was like this, but with the remover and wiping and brushing it, not brushing but wiping and using that block, just removing the gunk off, and worked pretty well. It's going to continue working well, and it's going to look awesome because I'm awesome.